Welcome back. In this tutorial today, we are going to talk about HTML links and HTML image. So quickly, let's get started. HTML links. HTML links are defined with the A tag. Example: open A tag with the closing A tag. Open A tag will have href attributes with the link to the destination tag. This is a link of HTML tag. The link's destination is specified in the href attribute. Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. You will learn more about attributes in a later chapter. Quickly, example. Let's open our HTML folder. Right-click and open the index file with VS Code. You see, this is our HTML document. Right now, there is nothing in the body tag. Let's save it and see how it looks in our browser. Right-click and open it with your Google Chrome browser or your Firefox or any browser. Can you see? This is empty right now. So let's go back to our VS Code. Write A tag and press tab. Inside the href, let's save it before we write any link and reload it. Reload our document to see what's going on. Nothing is here right now. So let's go back to our A tag. Inside the href, let's write a link to a document or to a file we want to link with the A tag. But before we do that, we will have a folder that we want to link to. Now I have a file. You have to need a file that we have to link to. Yes, I have a file here. Open it and see what is inside. Let me open it with our VS Code to see what is in the file clearly. Wow, we have our body tag with h1 tag with wow, it works text inside the h1 tag. Okay, let's go back to our index file. Open it with your VS Code. Write wow tag. Write wow.html because we want to link it with the A tag, and save it, and let's see how it looks in our browser. Reload. Press reload to see what is inside. There is nothing here. Go back to the A tag. You have to write a text here to be able to display the A tag. Because this is a link, you have to write a text here so you'll be able to see the link tag. This is a link. Save. Go back to your document to see what is inside the A tag. Reload. Can you see? Now we can find the A tag. So now when we press the A tag, it will direct us to the wow, it works Can you see? This is wow.html. Finally, we know how we can use the a tag, that is the link tag. Come back, can press it again to see how it works. Wow, it works. So that is a tag. Again, now let's talk about image tag. HTML images. HTML images are defined with the image tag. The source file, src, alternative, text, alt, width, and height are provided as attributes. Example, HTML image tag. Now let's go back to see the example. Now inside our wow tag, our link tag, tab, so we can write image tag. Now from the image, now we want to link to a file. We will need a file. We will need an image file. Let's go back to our document to see if we have an image file. Wow, now we are having top 10 strength.png. Let's copy the name and take it to our image file. Right click your index.html document, open it with VS Code, and put it in the source attributes of the image tag. Now you can see top 10 strength.png in the source attributes of the image tag. Now save it and let's see how it looks in our HTML wow link file. Let's come back to the link file. Wow, this is a link, this is an image on the index file. Now we have to reduce the size of the image file. Go back to the document and write width and height 200, height 200 to reduce the size of the image file. Go back to the document and reload it. Wow. Now let's reduce the size of the image file 100 and save it and go back to the image file. Wow, it works. Let's go back to the image file. The useful of the alt attribute is in case our image tag cannot find the top 10 strength.png in our HTML file. Let's delete top 10 strength.png to see what will happen in our image file. Go back to the index.html document to open it and see what will happen in our image file. Now can you see what is showing here? Because we are no more having top 10 strength.png in our folder again. Let's go back to the document and write a name to the alt attribute to see what will happen with our image tag. I write top 10 strengths so we can see what is going on. Let's go back to our document and reload our index file. Wow, can you see? This is top 10 strength. Instead of displaying big size of another temporary image from HTML, from HTML, now we can see top 10 strength instead of the image file because we can't find the image file. I hope you can understand now. Now let's go back and put our image file to see what will happen now when we have our image file. Now we are having our top 10 strength.png image back. Now let's go back and reload our image file. Wow, now you can see the reason we use the attribute in our image tag. This is the benefit of using attributes in our image file. This is alt attribute. This is the benefit of using alt attribute in our image file. When we remove the document, it will display the name in our image file. I think we are done today. Once again, my name is Anwar Ayofe Akorede. Have a great day. Thank you.